no matter what's going on around us. The rapid growth of e-commerce, complex global channels. When all's said and done, everything has to pass through an open door. Goods, people, machines, every working day, every shift. And it's exactly at that point, from the doors, at docking, that ASSA ABLOY's digital logistics platform DMS, Docking Management System, gets its strength. It's here all data is generated, data that enables optimized solutions for docking assignment, service, and security, and makes comprehensive energy savings possible. But data is meaningless if we don't understand its connection to reality. The interface has to be simple and make a difference for all users. For drivers, transport planners, and property managers. It starts with DMS's digital docking assignment that registers and directs all transports to the right loading bay at the right time. If the driver arrives before their allotted time, they're directed to a holding point, where they receive a text message as soon as a loading bay is ready for docking. Transport planners monitor everything in real time and know exactly when and where every truck arrives and leaves. All loading takes place in an effective flow, under full control. The doors send out all the relevant data. What kind of activity can be detected at the loading docks? Are the dock shelters active? Is the dock available? Should some doors be locked? Is it time to perform service? The powerful digital platform DMS can be installed at all types of facilities. And thanks to its open and secure communications protocol, it can be easily combined with other systems. For property managers, the versatile and responsive interface offers full control over the facility. How can the flow be made more effective? What are the levels of usage? Are energy-saving settings and automatic closing working as they should? Efficient logistics flow, optimal energy usage, and another great working shift. That's what ASSA ABLOY's docking management system is all about.